Hi everyone, and thanks for watching this video. My name is Mr. Keric and I have been a FIFA license agent over 20 years and I work as an educator for future FIFA agents. In this short video, I want to explain why we are launching this petition and what we are fighting for. I'm not doing this just in my own name, but on behalf of many candidates, participants in my courses and new FIFA license colleagues. I hear their experience with the new FIFA exam every day, and I see how much they care about a fair, clear, and transparent system. Our goals is not to make the exam easier or to lower the standards. We want that the FIFA Football Agent exam to remain serious and demanding, but under conditions comparable to these of the first four generations and candidates. In this petition, we are focusing on three main points. First, we ask for the return of 2 exam sessions per year. A 12-month gap between attempts is simply too long for many candidates. If someone studies seriously and works on their mistakes, they should have a realistic chance to retake the exam in a shorter time frame. Second, we want physical study materials to be allowed again during the exam. The exam is officially an open book, which should mean that candidates can use books and printed materials, not only a single online platform. The focus should be on understanding the regulations, not just on how fast you can click. Third, we ask for a chance of exam format, in person or online. At the moment, most candidates are effectively pushed into the online option, with many technical issues that affect concentration and results. We believe it's only fair to keep the same content and standards, but allow candidates to choose the format in which they can best show what they know. I also want to make you a very clear personal commitment. If you join us and sign the petition, I will carry your trust and your voice at the way to the highest decision makers inside the FIFA, and if necessary, directly to President Infantino himself. Through my work over more than 20 years, I have built channels and connections that reach that level, but for real impact, we need the strength of numbers. That is why our first concrete goal is to collect at least 1,000 signatures, so that we can show that this is not an individual complaint, but a serious and broad request from the agent and candidate community. If you agree with these points, I invite you to read the full text of the petition, and if it makes sense to you, add your signature. Every signature is a message that there are many of us who want a fair and transparent system for all future agents. Thank you for your time and your support, and if you would like to share your own experience or ask a question, feel free to contact me, and your voice is just as important as your signature. Thank you very much and see you in the future. Best regards from your coach.